Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I have taken a trade in Bank Nifty and my target gets hit. Okay, so let me explain you the reason that why I have entered in this trade. As you can see that day before yesterday, this is market has turned from bearish to bullish and closed in bullish. Okay, and created the buying momentum, okay, by closing that much bullish. Okay, now next day when market opens gap up and coming down, so the buyers who did not enter here, they will keep on making their buying position. Okay, and they all have been taken out. They keep on buying position to this support and they have been taken out. Okay, now yesterday all of the buyers have been taken out. Okay, and some of the buyers are still here thinking that price can go up because it is still at support level. Okay, so with that thinking they are in, some of the buyers are still in loss thinking, hoping in that hope that now next day market can go upside. So when today uh, market can open here, okay, so some of the buyers are still in loss. Okay, because if the trader who entered here, buyers who have entered here, buyers who have entered here, buyers who have entered here. After this, they are still in some loss or maybe in small profit or maybe on break even. Okay, because of the premium decay, as you know, and market coming instantly coming down and take the SL of all the buyers. Okay, now after this support again, this is a retracement level. Okay, sorry, this is a retracement level, as you can see. So again, some of the buyers will again add thinking now price can go upside, but again price have taken them out. Okay, and yesterday was the selling momentum. So now today market has opened gap up and again coming down and break this support level. Okay, and again created the selling momentum. Okay, now the SL of the buyers have been taken out. After this breakdown, the some sellers have been entered before, but after the sellers have been entered, price went into consolidation. Okay, and but before the yesterday's closing. Okay, so that means they were taking a support. Also, the sellers have keep on coming here. Okay, because market has created a selling momentum after this breakdown. Okay, so the sellers have come and sellers have come here and buyers have already been taken out. Okay, now now when market gives the breakout, the sellers will keep on coming, keeping SL here, keeping SL here because market has created the selling momentum. So when I got the retracement, I immediately entered in long position. Also, when you see on 15-minute time frame, as you can see this on 15-minute time frame, the candle has closed bullish, and when it came down for a retracement for the higher low, as soon as higher low created and going upside, I went long. So I have used the psychology in this trade, and along with psychology, I have also used the confirmation of higher time frame. Okay, and after price went here, sorry, when price went here, go here to my direction and it reversed. Okay, so but I managed this volatility. Otherwise, as per my plan, I take out my I trailed my SL to the entry point, but I did not exit because I had a conviction that price will reverse. It just came down to take the SL of buyers who have entered after this breakout. Okay, so after this breakout, the whosoever buyers entered, they have been taken out and their price went upside. And I exited till the resistance level. I have captured over 150 points in index chart, and in option I captured around 100 or 95 to 100 points. Okay, so that is the trade for today. Now coming to the gold trade. So as you can see this, yeah, as you can see this market here. Why did I have entered long trade here? As you can see, market has been trading in support and resistance area. As you can see this. Okay. This is a support, resistance, like this. Okay. Now when market was when market was coming to the support level, as you can see, this is a very weak buying because buyers have been activated. So this was very weak buying. As you can see this. Okay. So and also the buyers who did not enter on this thing, they will thought that now price will again come here and they will go long. Okay, but at the same time I was waiting for the pull back. I was waiting for the higher low. Because as you can see this pattern was made. Okay. So I was waiting for the price to come here and then go short. But also I was waiting for the 15-minute candle to be closed. But as you can see, this 15-minute candle has closed above this range, above this resistance level. So my planning of going short, I have skipped that because of market has turned bullish from the support level, and it was kept on going upside. And as you can see, it has keep on going upside by taking the SL of sellers who have come here, okay, who did not enter here, but now when price go up, so they will think now price will retrace, now the price can go down. So they will keep trading their selling position, and market has taken out the SL of all the sellers. Also, why I have entered in long trade, as you can see, this market has recovered more than 50% from the fall. Okay. So now I have thought that now I can go for long till this level. Okay. Because market has turned bullish. So I have made this resistance level. As you can see, this resistance level, price came here, price came here, made the resistance, and again made a red candle over here. And after that, I was waiting for the 1 minute candle to be closed above this level. So as soon as this green candle has closed above this resistance level, and next candle came down for the pullback for the higher low. Okay, or we can say retracement. So as soon as this came here, I immediately entered here, and also this when this candle has made this green candle has made, when this candle was opened, it was open in red and it was coming down fastly, just because the sellers who entered here, they have been taken out, and they were, when price was again going downside, so they must have also re-entered, okay, thinking now price can go downside. So with that FOMO psychology, I have taken the long trade to take the S of sellers. Okay, but my target was till here, till around 38 pips, but it has reversed from 23 pips. But I, after that, price has reversed, and I end up by taking loss. Okay, now understand this trade. As you can see this, as you can see this yesterday, as you can see, this price was going upside, and immediately came down and go back. Okay, so that shows the selling momentum. Okay, it is the selling zone, retail selling zone. Okay, suddenly when price came here, some of the sellers must have activated in FOMO and they have been taken out. Okay, so now I was, so now as you can see that after this move, okay, as you can see, this price has taken the resistance and keep on falling without giving any retracement or without making any green candle. It has kept on falling. Okay, so I have made this level. As you can see, this is a selling zone. Uh, as you can see, the private came sellers have activated, they have taken out. Again, sellers have activated, they have taken out. So I have marked this level as a as a retail selling zone where retail sellers got activated. Okay, so now when price keep on coming up, I waited for some trap to be happened and waited for the support to be created. Okay. And then on this level, I have entered in long position, keeping the SL big because till here, till here, below this candle, because of the volatility, my SL can get hit. That is why I had to put a big SL. But before reaching out to my SL level, price has reversed and hit my target. And as soon as I exited, price has reversed. So I have exited on top and entered in bottom. This is a good trade that I have taken, but taking such type of trade is not possible for on everyday basis. You can get such type of trade maybe once in a month or twice in a month, okay, or maybe 1 in 2 months, okay, one trade in twice month, okay, because this is something you should not expect such type of trades because this is just next to impossible. You must have also experienced this, okay. So as you can see this, also one thing, whenever price has to reverse, it will reverse directly, okay, it will not take time. As you can see that price was coming here, it was taking time, that is why it has taken down. Again, when price was coming, it was taking time, that is why it taken, but now price has gone immediately. Okay, so this is the level that I have got, and also this is the selling zone, so that is why I have entered in this trade. Okay, and prices keep on coming down without any retracement, and market is in uptrend. As you can see, this market is in uptrend. So that was just a minor retracement. For that, I have taken long and I exited on the target what I have decided. So that is for today. Thank you so much.